Today I want to share with you a secret strategy for binary options. With this strategy, I earned $810 starting with just $70 in just a few minutes. It may seem incredible, but look further and make sure that you can achieve the same results. Friends, in my Telegram channel, I use strategies and real reviews for my subscribers who have achieved success in trading. It's simple. The main thing is just to start, and you can achieve a significant profit. Follow the link and get useful information. Are you familiar with the ADX and Bollinger Bands indicators? It is thanks to these tools that I achieve stable success in trading and earn significant amounts. Today, I will show you how they work. These indicators help to determine the trend, support and resistance points as well as correction times, which allows you to open trades with high accuracy. The principle of operation is simple. If the indicator lines intersect and indicate growth, it gives a buy signal. If it's down, then it is for sale. For better understanding, I will demonstrate this with a practical example. In order for your strategy to work, you need to set the same settings as mine. First, we put type candles in the chart, set time frames for 30 minutes, then turn on two indicators, ADX and Bollinger Bands. You can see the settings of these indicators on the screen. We set the Euro-JPY currency pair. The transaction time is 30 seconds. And now, let's move on to transactions. I immediately opened the first downside trade with the amount of $70. As I see the beginning of a downtrend and the indicator lines intersect and point downwards. These are our downside signals. And here's the first transaction completed and my balance grows to $134. Wow, cool. Let's move on. We are smoothly moving on to the second deal. We'll have it in the amount of $134. And now, let's try to analyze the situation on the chart. We see small adjustments and the beginning of a downward trend. Strong flexibility in the indicators, so we open a deal for a decrease and wait for a profit. Friends, if you are looking for a reliable trading platform, I recommend you paying attention to Pocket option. Here I found fast withdrawals, transport transactions and good profits. I trust this platform and I'm confident in its reliability. Also, join my Telegram channel to receive bonuses and up-to-date information for successful trading. The deal has been completed, which means that the balance has been replenished and is now $258. Wow, we'll not stop and we move on. I'm opening a $200 short trade. After all, the chart shows the confident emergence of a downtrend. The indicator lines intersect and move down. Yes, the transaction is completed and my balance is $442. This is a big and fast result. We're starting our final deal on this strategy. We see a return trend to an increase on the chart. Weak adjustments and lines are moving towards an increase. Without thinking for a long time, I open a deal to increase by $400. Wow! All transactions were successfully and my balance is already $810. This is a really good result. I earned a lot of money in almost a couple of minutes. You can also just like and wait for my new strategies. Friends, let me teach you how to trade binary options correctly. Just subscribe to my Telegram channel. There you will find new strategies and signal for successful trading. Follow the link in the description and join the club of successful trades. See you. Bye bye.